Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview A200 Pro and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. However, I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi and then we can enter the Play Store. A quick disclaimer, you will be able to follow my steps if you have the internet connection, the Google account added to your device. If you're not sure how to do it, if you're not sure how to log in, then I highly recommend to check our tutorial, which I've just recorded. Alright, so all we have to do is to enter the circle, which is your account, and then tap on Manage Apps and Device. Now let's tap on Manage. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently installed apps, and all we have to do is to tap on Updates Available, so we can check which apps can be updated. All you have to do is to mark those which you'd like to download. Of course, if you want, you can download all of them. If not, just mark those which you want to download. So in my case, Gmail, maybe Google Drive, maybe Google Photos, and the phone. So after that, all you have to do is to tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and from now on your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.